An exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a type of investment fund traded on stock exchanges. It usually tracks the price of an underlying asset, such as gold, oil, or a basket of stocks. An Ethereum Spot ETF would track the price of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Currently, investors interested in gaining exposure to Ethereum often have to purchase ETH directly on cryptocurrency exchanges. This process can be intimidating for newcomers and carries risks associated with digital asset custody. An Ethereum Spot ETF would simplify this process, allowing investors to gain exposure to ETH through traditional brokerage accounts. The approval of an Ethereum Spot ETF by regulatory bodies like the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, would be a significant development for the cryptocurrency market. It would signal a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by institutional investors and could potentially bring about a surge in ETH's price. The introduction of an ETH ETF could make investing in Ethereum more accessible to a broader range of investors, potentially driving up demand and price. It's important to note that the SEC has been cautious about approving spot Bitcoin ETFs, citing concerns about market manipulation and investor protection. However, many analysts believe that the approval of an Ethereum Spot ETF is only a matter of time. Whispers of an imminent approval for an Ethereum Spot ETF have been swirling around the crypto world, fueling speculation and excitement. Several large asset management firms have filed applications with the SEC, with many expecting a decision in the coming months. Analysts are closely monitoring these developments, with some predicting that the approval could come sooner than expected. The recent approval of Bitcoin futures ETFs has added fuel to this speculation, signaling a potential shift in the SEC's stance on crypto-related investment products. Prominent voices within the crypto space have also weighed in on the potential impact of an ETH ETF. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, has been a vocal proponent of cryptocurrencies and believes that an ETH ETF approval is inevitable. She anticipates that it would attract significant institutional capital, further propelling the growth of the Ethereum ecosystem. The approval of an Ethereum Spot ETF could unleash a wave of new investment into ETH, potentially driving its price to new all-time highs. Analysts are divided on the extent of the potential surge, with some predicting a doubling or tripling of ETH's price in the months following approval. This surge would have a ripple effect across the entire cryptocurrency market, particularly on altcoins, which are alternative cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin. As the leading platform for decentralized applications, or dApps, and smart contracts, Ethereum's growth often translates into gains for other cryptocurrencies built on its blockchain. A thriving Ethereum ecosystem, fueled by the influx of institutional capital, would create a more robust and attractive environment for developers and investors alike. This, in turn, could lead to further innovation and growth within the altcoin space, as projects leverage Ethereum's technology and infrastructure. Section 4. Institutional investment fueling the crypto engine. Institutional investors such as hedge funds, pension funds, and endowments have traditionally been wary of the volatile cryptocurrency market. However, the narrative is shifting as more institutional players recognize the potential of cryptocurrencies as an alternative asset class. The approval of an Ethereum Spot ETF would remove a significant barrier to entry for institutional investors, providing them with a regulated and familiar way to gain exposure to ETH. This influx of institutional capital would bring much-needed liquidity and legitimacy to the crypto market, further solidifying its position within the global financial system. Moreover, institutional investors often bring with them a long-term investment horizon, which could contribute to greater stability and less volatility in the crypto market. Their involvement could also encourage the development of more sophisticated financial products and services within the crypto space, further bridging the gap between traditional finance and the world of digital assets. Section 5. Staying ahead of the curve. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, with new developments and trends emerging at a rapid pace. Staying informed is crucial for investors and enthusiasts alike, especially as regulatory changes and technological advancements continue to shape the industry. Following reputable sources of information such as industry publications, research reports, and expert analysis can provide valuable insights into the ever-changing crypto landscape. Understanding the implications of events like potential ETF approvals is essential for making informed investment decisions and navigating the exciting yet often complex world of cryptocurrencies. The potential approval of an Ethereum Spot ETF represents a pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency market. It has the potential to unleash a new wave of investment, drive up ETH's price, and fuel the growth of the broader altcoin market. As the crypto world eagerly awaits the SEC's decision, staying informed and understanding the potential implications is crucial for those seeking to capitalize on the opportunities that lie ahead.